Now that you're done adding color to your forms, the next step is going to be to add your backgrounds. Now, as I mentioned before, this particular project is working with the falling, where you are looking like you're falling. And right now I'm going to demonstrate background number 1, okay? So we want to make sure that you keep your vanishing point in here while you do this. There is a series of tracers that I have that are pre-cut for you, and you'll notice each tracer has a little hole in the middle. That is for you to be able to see your vanishing point through that. So each table has a table number, so there's a set for each table. So the first thing you're going to do, and this is kind of fairly simple, you're going to take your, and again I'm doing number 1 here, so it's going to kind of look like the target sign. So I'm going to take the smaller one, I'm going to place my smaller circle down. You can see the vanishing point through the middle, and I'm just going to trace all the way around. And make sure you have a nice sharp pencil. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to go to my next size. Now, one of the things you want to make sure is that this is in the middle, and I want you to notice that I'm not tracing on top of the color. I'm only tracing where the white paper is. And I'm going to continue to do this all the way till I finish my last circle. Now, it's at this point, or if I haven't already, I certainly will be very shortly, taking a picture of you kind of looking like you're falling, so that we will have that printed and ready to go when you are completed with this part. So it should be done by now. Your image should be ready for you to get. So I'm just going to keep going. And this, your circle should go all the way to the edge of your paper, which is why at the beginning of this project I said to you, for this particular one, it is important that you fold your paper in half twice so that you make sure that your vanishing point is directly in the middle. It's also why I had you add color first, so that you can clearly see what it is that you are doing. And you'll see here that some of my design, or my forms, are going to go outside that circle, and that is okay. So then the next thing you're going to do, once you are done, you are going to go in and you are going to use a black permanent marker, and you are going to color in, and I would put an X in these spaces, because if not, this is where students tend to make mistakes. So I put a big X in there with my pencil, so I'm going to color in this circle. I'm going to leave this next circle white. I'm going to color in this circle. So I'm going in and I'm just marking the X's wherever I see the white so I don't accidentally make a mistake. I'm leaving this next one. Oh, do you see I forgot something there? So I need to go back and find that circle because I missed something. Where's my center? There's my center. I forgot this right there. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have that all the way through. So that one's going to stay white. This next one is going to be black. Oh, and I forgot another one here. Look at that. So if I put this in the middle, I forgot this area right there. So this is going to be black. So you can see how important it is to go in and to mark. And then your last ring is going to be white. Eventually we are going to cut this out, and you would be cutting along this line here, cutting along the outside edge, and then you're going to be gluing this onto the black square paper, and then you'll be cutting out your falling image and gluing that to the center. So that's how you're going to be finishing this work. If you are doing number 3, you're going to want to watch the number 3 video, because you need to do step 1, and then there's another step for this as well. So that's what you need to do. Anyway, enjoy and be careful. Take your time. Don't rush.